Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful and so simple, only 2 rows repeating zigzag, maybe shawl, maybe blanket, which you want to use that pattern. Okay, it's so simple. Only making clusters and double crochets. So simple. You can make it easily and so fast. I hope you feel well. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful, so simple, so easy, only 2 rows repeating zigzag pattern. Let's start to crochet. I use in this pattern cotton yarns, and I repeat these 2 rows different sets. I crochet on here 1 set, here 4 set, sorry 3 set, here 4 set, here 2 set, which you want. You will make every line different color, or you will make it only one color, or you can make it like me, colorful. For this pattern, which yarn you want, and I use 4mm hook for that, and again I will show you with cotton yarns. For this pattern you need multiples of 8 chains. First of all, make a slip knot, then make your chains a little loosey. Okay, not make so tight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, I think it's enough for showing the pattern. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have here multiples of 8 chains plus 1. Okay, only one time. Yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains, insert into the 5th one, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, make double crochet, chain 3 for my first double, chain 1 for my space, then chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one and make double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 1, yarn over, skip 1, insert into the next one, make double, chain 1, skip 1, insert into next one and make double. You will make boxes on the first row. This is the repeating, the first repeating row. Okay, you will repeat only 2 rows. I will make my box. When I come to end, I will turn to you. I made my boxes. I have 16 boxes. 1, 2, 3 chains and turn my work. Yarn over and insert into the same stitch and make here 3 more double crochet. 1, insert into the same, 2, yarn over, insert into the same, 3. Totally I have here 4 double crochet. Yarn over, then insert into the first chain 1 space, grab my yarn, lose it a little, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the stitch, grab my yarn, lose it, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the chain 1 space, grab my yarn, lose it, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the stitch, grab my yarn, lose it, pull through 2, 4, yarn over, insert into the space, this is the 5th one, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the stitch, this is the 6th one, grab my yarn, lose it, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the chain 1 space, grab my yarn, lose it, pull through 2. I have 2, 4, 6, 8 loops. Pull through all together. Yarn over. Insert into the next stitch. We made our last stitch in the chain 1 space, we use this double crochet stitch and make here 7 double crochet. 1, insert into the same, 2, insert into the same, 3, insert into the same, 4, insert into the same, 5, insert into the same, 6, insert into the same, 7. Now again make clusters. Now in chain 1 space, pull through 2, 1, in the stitch 2, in the space 3, in the stitch 4, you make it a little loosey, in the space 5, in the stitch 6, in the space 7. I have 8 loops, pull through all together. Yarn over, come to next double crochet stop and make here 7 double. 1, into the same, 2, into the same, 3, into the same, 4, into the same, 5, into the same, 6, into the same, 7. Yarn over, come to space, again make cluster, start from the space, lose it, 1, yarn over in the stitch, 2, lose it, 2, yarn over in the space, lose it, 3, yarn over in the stitch, lose it, 4, yarn over in the space, 5, in the stitch, 6, in the space, 7. 8 loops, pull through all together. Not make chain 1, okay. Yarn over, come to next top and make here 7 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now make my cluster again. 1, next stitch, 2, next space, 3, next stitch, 4, next space, 5, next stitch, 6, and the last chain 1 space, 7. I have 8 loops, pull through all together. Yarn over here, we have last stitch, insert into the last stitch and make here as same as the first one, 4 double crochet. Start and the finish with 4 double, 2 into the same, 3 into the same, 4. That's it. Now we repeat this box row like that. 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet, 1 4 space. Turn your work. Yarn over. This is first one. I'm not count that. Skip the second one. Start from the third one and make here double crochet. Here our first box. Chain 1. Skip 1, insert into next one and make double. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into next one, make double. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next, make double. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next, make double. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next, make double, as same as. I come to end here. You can see here I have 2 loops, chain 1, skip 1, insert into the last one, don't forget last stitch, and make your last double. I start with 16 boxes and we will count it 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. You can make your control like that, and we repeat the second row again. I will show you a little. 1, 2, 3 chains and turn your work and make 3 more in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. So in the first stitch I have 4 double crochet. Yarn over and start to make my cluster from the first chain 1 space. Insert here, grab my yarn, pull through to 1 in the stitch, 2 in the space, 3 in the stitch, 4 in the space, 5 in the stitch, 6 and in the space, 7. I have 8 loops, pull through all together, not make chain, yarn over, start from the next stitch and make here 7 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That's it. Then make your cluster and next stitch make 7 double crochet and finish the last stitch with 4 double. Then make your boxes again. Chain 3, chain 4 and turn, make your double, chain 1, skip 1, make double crochet. Always repeat the first and the second row. You can change your color which you want, which sets you want. Okay, I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments. Thanks for your time and support. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.